Castagra 400 barrel tank bottom rehab training video. Before you get started, safety glasses and gloves should be worn when applying Ecodur 201M to the tank bottom. Compliance with the Occupation Safety and Health Regulations Act must be followed. The user must review all product material safety data sheets before using the coating materials. Mixing of Ecodur 201M coating material. Ensure your Ecodur kits are kept at room temperature prior to mixing the Ecodur 201M coating material. Cold material is difficult to mix and work with. Step 1. Make sure you mix the Ecodur Part A 5-gallon bucket extremely well with a concrete or motor mixer. It is very important to remember to mix Part A well. Do not worry about overmixing Part A. It is also important not to have any gypsum clumps in your mix, as it can affect your mix ratio due to incomplete mixing. Step 2. Use the metal mixing blade and tap on the inside walls of the bucket, including corners where the bucket floor meets the bucket wall. Gypsum clumps will deposit in this area. Step 3. Complete the mixing of Part A. You will know it is complete when there is no caulk layer present in the mixing material. Step 4. After completion of the Part A mix, add the entire Part B material from the Part B gallon bucket into the pre-mixed Part A 5-gallon bucket. Step 5. Mix the white Part A material with the brown Part B material until Part A and Part B are fully mixed together. The next steps deal with the application of the Ecodur 201M coating material. To start, ensure the surfaces to be coated are prepared to NACE 3 surface finish, and be prepared for the coating process, as you will only have 40 minutes to apply the coating material after Part A and Part B are mixed together. The coating material will start to harden if you are not efficient. Step 1. Pour half of the prepared Ecodur 201M 5-gallon kit around the perimeter of the tank floor where the floor meets the wall. Ecodur will generate its own heat. A large volume in the bucket will generate heat faster than a thin layer on the tank floor. The sooner the prepared Ecodur 201M material is dispensed from the bucket, the more time you have to apply and spread the Ecodur 201M material onto the surfaces. Step 2. With a paint roller, roll the material up the tank wall. Apply up to 24 inches of the tank wall from the bottom. It is easier to slop the coating up the tank wall. The Ecodur will eventually run down the tank wall and on the tank floor and completely self-level. Once the entire tank perimeter has been coated, repeat this process for a second coat. Step 3. Pull and roll the coating from each tank wall at the bottom towards the center of the tank and make your way towards the manway. Pour the remaining Ecodur 201M onto the tank floor surface as needed. Step 4. Do not forget to coat the inside surface of the manway cover. Step 5. In the event the tank may not be level, use painter's tape to create a ledge at the bottom of the manway. This will prevent the Ecodur from self-leveling out of the manway entrance. The Ecodur 201M coating will set in about 6 hours. A good overnight cure will enable your tank to return to service. If you missed an area, mix additional Ecodur 201M coating material and perform touch-ups as needed. Useful tips. In warm weather, one 50-pound kit should be sufficient to coat the entire 400-barrel tank bottom and 24 inches up the tank wall. For flanks and other piping, soak the area to allow the material to coat. Remember, the coat will self-level. In cold weather, 45 degrees Fahrenheit and lower, it is critical to keep the material warm at room temperature. Heat blankets should be ideal to warm the Ecodur material. You can also keep the Ecodur material warm inside the truck cab. When applying the prepared Ecodur 201M material onto a cold steel surface, the viscosity of the Ecodur 201M material will change from a light cake batter-like consistency to a thick pudding-like texture. In the pudding texture-like condition, it can be challenging to apply and roll the Ecodur material onto the surfaces and up the tank wall. During cold weather application, pour only 1/3 of the prepared Ecodur 201M material onto the surfaces and gradually work your way towards the manway. You do not need to take extra time to make this look pretty, as the applied Ecodur 201 coating will self-level and be as smooth as glass as it cures. Please note, do not steam clean or use high-temperature cleaning at any time to clean the applied Ecodur coating.